Good morning. What I want you guys to take a look at, we opened this document. I just want to help you out with some of these questions if you need it. We stopped at defining public domain, so don't forget the Explore tools right here, and make sure you're citing. So, public. We're gonna look up public domain. I'm gonna use Creative Commons. This one. I like this one. Fair use from Stanford. Refers to creative material that are not. It's not going to give me enough information. Okay. So you're going to type that in. Don't forget to cite. So remember, here's the end of my statement. I didn't do quite word for word, but it still could be considered plagiarism. So I'm going to quote it. Notice to put a 3 on there for me. And then if I scroll down and put it public domain copyright from Stanford. Okay, what is plagiarism? Most of you guys know what it is. Talk through that or work through that, answer it or search it. But if you search it and write anything that you got from somewhere else, you need to cite it. If you copy or paste it, you need to quote it and cite it. How can you be caught? Well, you guys, I think you realize about some of the materials or some of the options we have at Shamanon, but there's turnitin.com, which matches your work with others in your class, others in your grade, and whatever's out on the internet. And it'll give you a score ranking like how much you copied. Another good site that offers some information, this EduBlogger. If you scroll down, slow loading today. Okay. Are there resources you can use? Yes. Understanding fair use. What can be a violation, but I won't be caught. So read through this. Jot some things down, and if you come up with ideas from here, cite it. How would you do that? Notice I copied the URL. I put it in here, and now it just pops up and I can cite it. Okay, wrong assignment. Okay. Rules for music and other creative works, check that out. What is Creative Commons? I want you to research what the 4 licenses are. There's a person license, there's a, here, actually you can find an image here. Okay, if I look at Creative Commons license and search images, it will show you, what's this one? See, there are all of them. Okay. So you can embed this picture. This picture is free for your use because it popped up on the Explore tool. And the 4 I want you to pay attention to are these at the very bottom here. Well, there's a handful. There's Creative Commons license, which you can't share at all. And then this walks you through what can be shared from most shareable to least shareable. So I want you to describe, what does this person mean? Google it, figure it out. What does this share alike mean? What does this no commerce thing mean? And what does this equal sign mean? So go through, explain what those 4 are. Okay, I'm going to give you tips on how Google helps. First of all, how does Google help? Well, the Explore tool usually finds stuff. Images are only things that you're allowed to use. So if you were to research, Jay-Z. Done. Okay, here are all these pictures of Jay-Z, right? Most of them look like they're pictures that somebody else created or someone like took a picture kind of from a distance. Most of them are not particularly professional. If I go to just Google as a whole and search Jay-Z under images, my variety or options for pictures are a lot greater, but these options for pictures are not licensed. You're not allowed to use them all without citing or giving credit to the person who posted them. A way to solve this problem or use Google to help you limit your search is if you hit this tools button, choose usage right. Because if I write choose label for reuse with modification, it's going to strip me of a lot of choices. Label for reuse, label for non-commercial use. So you have all these options. So all of these are pretty much available for people to use. And that's generally because somebody posted the picture that wasn't necessarily making money off of it. Not filtered by license. Notice they all go up. Another thing for you to be aware of, these don't come, this picture does not come from Google. It comes from XXL Mag, all right? Any of these pictures come from another website, which is why they're not legal for you to take without citing them. Because Grammy.com posted this picture, and notice it says images may be subject to copyright. So those are some ways that, so why I like the Explore tool is it limits you to only the things that fall under the Creative Commons licensing. Okay? Search 2 random pictures of whatever you want, add them into your document, and add them into your document down here after you've explained the answer to this, and then turn this in. How do you turn it in? Hit share, get shareable link, copy the link, turn it in. That's it.